Hi guys, I'm Eddie.
And I'm Bobby.
We're going to show you the Laser X, and we got it for Christmas.
It's like a gun, and there's also a pack, and you try and shoot each other with it.
And it's
then
got
you go down on life, but one thing, it uses infrared instead of laser, so it won't be bad for your eyes.
Yeah, but it will be bad for your brain. And we got it for Christmas, and it comes with 2 blasters in the pack, and you can connect headphones to it, and it does rock music only if you do the headphones.
Yeah, I didn't put my headphones in there.
This
But
is where
they're
you
headphones.
shoot. Here.
Here's the headphone jack.
And you put this on over here. But we're not going to put it on because it's not that good. And here's how it's. So I'm going to unplug the thingy and then turn it on. And here's
We'll
how
show you when we shoot it.
you reload by pressing the trigger button and shaking.
So I'm going to shoot it. This is my brother's. Huh? Okay, then there's this one. Ready? Okay. So you shoot him.
Oh, it's because
We're on the same
team. So it's blue team and
I'm on red team, Eddie.
red team. And this is neutral.
Yeah, I'm going to shoot Eddie. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
So it's really cool.
Ready?
And it talks. You need some batteries that goes over here.
And Eddie lost.
It's because I'm not really playing. And it's
That's really all it does. It just
you shoot each other with it, and it's good.
is the laser pack.
Bye guys, it's a laser pack.
And sorry, but my brother's voice is a little bit bad. So
Oh.
bye.